The Cashflow Quadrant explained. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Let's go. This is BSHill with INYlegacy.com, and in today's video, we're going to kind of expose and educate people on Robert Kiyosaki's book called The Cashflow Quadrant. If you don't know who Robert Kiyosaki is, that's fine. We're going to explain it to you right now. He is the #1 best-selling author of the book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, Cashflow Quadrant, among numerous others. He's a financial genius, expert, and also a businessman himself. He's created a lot of success for himself, and he actually goes around and teaches this. You might have seen Robert Kiyosaki seminars coming to your local area. But we're really going to expound on his book called The Cashflow Quadrant because we want to break down the 4 different ways that people create an income everywhere. It doesn't matter, what you do. You create income in one of these 4 areas. First, we're going to start off with the employee. That's at the top left corner of this quadrant. And that is a person that is an employee that trades their time for money. If you don't work, you don't get paid. Simple. Everybody understands it, right? Self-employed. Next. That is a person that has gathered skills for themselves, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, plumber, it doesn't matter. If you're self-employed, what you've essentially done has bought yourself a job because it's still dependent upon you exchanging your time for that money. And the premise is, if you cannot go on at least a 6-day holiday, week holiday, and your business keep on going without you, again, you're self-employed at that point. Both of these tiers are people that exchange their time for money. Now you go on over to the right-hand side of that. Now you have a big business owner. This is a person that has a system in place. And you know my motto, save yourself time, energy, and definitely money. And what that system allows you to do is you're not dependent upon you exchanging your time. You may have a system like McDonald's where the CEO or the owner of that McDonald's does not necessarily have to be there, but that system still creating income for that individual. FedEx, Fred Smith, the list goes on. Amazon with Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg with Facebook, all these different entities. That is a system that drives an income for that business owner. Now you have the last one, the 4th and final one, which is called the investor. This is a person that they now have their money working for them. You might be wondering to yourself, when you see people in the middle of the daytime going to play golf or on vacation, always out of town, things of that nature. Most times it's because they have their investments generating an income for them. And this is so powerful because it is not tied to you exchanging your precious time, something that is a precious commodity you can't get back. Time waits for no one. So what I like to teach people is not, I know you may start on the employee or the self-employed side, but the key is to make your transition over to the right side. Start yourself some sort of business. For one, you're going to instantly unlock hundreds of tax breaks. Now, I'm not a tax professional, but you can't go and get with your CPA so they can explain all these things to you because, first of all, if you're on that left side of the quadrant, whether you're employed or self-employed, you are the highest tax individuals anywhere. When you make that transition over to a big business owner, some sort of affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever the case may be, the moment you do that, you instantly unlock over 400 tax breaks, and that's per the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. So guys, get with your CPA and they can explain all that to you. The next thing is, take your money and say, you know what, I'm going to hire you. You're going to be my employee. Now you're going to go to work for me and you're going to bring me back a bunch of your friends. How does that sound? So guys, now that we kind of explain, the cash flow quadrant, make sure you drop a like, subscribe. If you got any value from this, make sure you share it. Make sure you hit that bell for notification when I upload more videos, which will be coming in the next few days. And at the end of the day, let's help you become an investor and make your money work for you instead of you working for it. INYlegacy.com. See you on the next video.